Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. How are you today? Как дела? У меня замечательно. The word еще is an adverb in Russian language, but sometimes it can be a particle that can change the meaning of a word. Today you are going to see 5 different situations when this adverb or particle can be used. Before we start, не забудьте подписаться на мой канал. Нажмите на колокольчик, чтобы получать оповещения о новых видео. И поехали! Let's begin! Use еще when you want to add something to what you just said, to the first action or to the opinion you have already formulated about this person. We can translate it as more than that, on top of that, or even has got to. For example, ты не выполнил домашнее задание, да еще и занятия пропустил. Literally, we can translate this sentence: you didn't complete your homework, and more than that, you missed your classes. Next example. Я приготовила обед, да еще и в магазин сходила. Literally, we can translate this sentence as I cooked dinner, and more than that, I even went to the store. In these examples, you can see that еще is always accompanied by да or и, да еще и, or just и, еще и. This enhances the sentence, showing that this is a piece of additional information. Imagine an argument between a mother and a daughter, and then the daughter suddenly raises her voice and shouts something like, "You never understand me." And then the mother can respond, "Она еще и кричит." Literally, it means she even has guts to shout, or on top of that, she's shouting. The meaning of this sentence would mean that the mother is already upset with her daughter, and on top of that, the daughter starting shouting. So the mother is now surprised and upset with that additional action of hers, and she can say, "Она еще и кричит." Or let's imagine an argument between a husband and a wife, and the wife knows the truth from another source, but she wants her husband to say it. They continue their argument, and the husband lies about the fact directly in her face. And then the wife says, "Он еще и врет." Literally, we can translate this sentence as he even has guts to lie, or on top of that, he's lying. It is important to mention that the situation doesn't necessarily have to be negative. You can discuss something or someone in a nice way. Imagine a girl talking about her new boyfriend with her mother, and she's listing all his good qualities, and one of them is cooking, and the mother asks, "Он еще и готовит." Он еще и готовит. Literally, we can translate this sentence, and in addition to that, he can cook? This is more of a rhetorical question, as the daughter has already mentioned it before, but the mother uses еще и to enhance her sentence, to show that she's impressed by this particular additional quality of his. Еще number 2 is about time in a distant past. We can translate it as long ago. For example, Пушкин родился еще в прошлом веке. Literally, we can translate this sentence as Pushkin was born long ago in the last century. Example number 2 is Я еще в прошлом году была на этом фильме. Literally, we can translate this sentence as I was at this movie long ago, I think last year. And the last example is «Я еще в детстве прочитала эту книгу». Literally, I read this book long ago when I was a child. Use еще when you want to say that the event is not occurred yet. In these situations, we can translate this word as yet. Мы еще не закончили ремонт. We haven't finished the renovation yet. В этом году мы еще не отдыхали. We haven't been on a vacation this year yet. Мои друзья еще не были в России. My friends haven't been to Russia yet. Еще as additional opportunities or possibilities. The English equivalent is still. Let's see some examples. Если поедем быстрее, еще успеем на последний сеанс. If we drive faster, we still have time for the last movie. Мы еще сможем сдать экзамены, если хорошо подготовимся. We can still pass the exams if we prepare well. Use еще when you want to ask for more wine. Можно мне еще бокал вина? May I have another glass of wine? Or just можно еще вина? May I have more wine? Or any other drink or food. That's all for today. I hope this video was useful. Feel free to write a practice sentence in comments below. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Пока!